Dogsix is an app that claims to allow users to earn money through activities like watching ads, completing tasks, engaging with content, or referring offers. Now, the concept taps into the get paid to model where micro tasks are compensated with small amounts of cash or credit. Now, in theory, the model works. Doing lots of these tasks over time can accumulate earnings. The app's task variety, ads, surveys, small activities offer multiple ways to earn it. It also frequently encourages user referrals to expand their network, which can boost rewards if you recruit active participants. Now, in practice, though, the payout is often extremely low compared to the time invested. Many tasks pay a fraction of a cent, so you have to complete a high volume to see anything meaningful. Also, some tasks or surveys may be region blocked or unavailable depending on your location, which reduces earnings opportunities in certain countries. Now, another consideration is payment thresholds and withdrawal restrictions. So, Dogsix may set minimum cash out limits, and reaching those thresholds can take long over time. Even once you qualify, users may face delays or verification process before the funds actually appear in your account or payment method. Moreover, as with many apps of this kind, sustainability is the question. The business relies on advertisers and task providers continue to pay. If they cut budgets or change terms, the earning potential could drop. There's also risk of tasks being removed or reward rates being downgraded without much notice. So, my conclusion, yes, you can technically earn money from Dogsix, but it's not going to be a full-time income unless you spend a huge amount of time. Even then, it's uncertain. Think of it more of a side hustle or a fun way to make a few extra dollars in downtime, not as a serious revenue stream.